So this is how you can stop auto-uploading in Google Photos. Go ahead and open up the Google Photos app. And if you just downloaded this app and you're pretty new, it's going to ask you if you want to turn on Photos Backup. So off the bat, you're going to want to turn this off so it doesn't automatically upload your photos and videos into Google Photos. So just turn that off and then tap on Continue without backup. However, if you've already turned that on and you can't go back, it's actually quite a simple fix. As you can see, your profile will be at the top right of the screen. You're going to want to tap on that, and here at the bottom it says Google Photos Settings. Simply tap on that, and now as you can see, backup is right here. So if it is turned on, you're going to want to turn it off. Basically, what backup does is it immediately downloads your photos and videos and sends them to your Google Photos. However, it might take up some of the storage or most of the storage of your Google account, so you might not want that. And that is why this tutorial is perfect for you. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.